If you want to emergency stop, you can click this button. Then it will stop immediately. When you also to spring it, you can back the origin again. When you will only enter into the operator manual interface, you will only the worker to input the operator password. Okay. So you will only enter into the operator menu and not edit and modify the preferences parameter. If you click the preference, it is not any working. You will not change the preference program. The worker will only operate the interface in operator menu interface. If you want to edit and modify the preferences, you need to password administrator password. Then the preference can be edited and modified. When we want to set the parameter list, we can go enter the preference to enter this interface to edit and modify the program. Coded X, coded Y, coded Z, coded W. It means the string as current place. You can click the green area or the red area. Then the sub window will pop up. So you can edit the program.